Hello, and thank you for joining me today as we finish up our last topic in this unit, which is on hydrates. So a hydrate, we think of hydrate, we think of being hydrated, we think of water. So hydrates are compounds that contain water as part of their molecular structure. So they have a structure that has water attached to it. So formulas for hydrates indicate the number of water molecules incorporated into the formula. For example, nickel 2 sulfate and ISO4 with this little multiplication sign is going to be a trihydrate. So 3H2O indicates that there are 3 water molecules attached to the nickel sulfate. Okay, so I think of, I always show my class a water bottle. And so ignoring my lack of artistic ability, I have a water bottle, and on it I put these sticky notes. Okay, this would be like the water bottle itself would be your nickel 2 sulfate, and the trihydrate is going to be these 3 sticky notes here. So if I would heat this substance up, my water is going to evaporate, and it's going to get rid of those. It's going to get rid of those waters, and it's going to be just, at that point, it'll be just my nickel 2 sulfate. So it's just going to be this stuff, this structure. But that's what the hydrate stands for, is that those waters are attached. So if the hydrate contains 85.26% barium chloride and 14.74% water, what is the formula for my hydrate? So here we're going to do kind of like we did with our empirical formulas. So I'm going to have 85.26% barium chloride. So I'm going to make this into grams. Percent to grams is step 1. So I'm going to take 85.26 grams of barium chloride. I'm going to divide that by my molar mass of barium chloride, which is 208.3. So that's 1 barium, which is 137.33. And Cl2 is going to be 2 times 35.453. So 70.906 is going to be your chlorine there. So we said 0.33, and 70.906. Add all that up, we're going to get a 6 and a 3 and a 2 decimal 8 2 and 0. So 208.236 is what I would get, which is almost the same there. They divide this out, they get 0.409 moles of barium chloride. Water-wise, 14.74% water, which means I'm going to divide that by my 18.02 or 18 grams of water. So I'm going to get 0.819. I divide those out, I get 0.819 divided by 4.09 is going to be 2. So this is going to be 1, so I have 1 here and I have 2 here, which means I have 1 mole of barium chloride for every 2 moles of water. And so for this I get BaCl2 as written up above. And this little multiplication sign just means that they're attached, and 2H2O. Okay, those are hydrates. That's calculations involved in hydrates. Pretty straightforward as far as that goes. So some quick review questions. What are hydrates? So be able to tell me what those are. How do you calculate the molar mass of a hydrate compound? And then calculate the molar mass of copper 2 sulfate pentahydrate. So that's your task to wrap things up. But thank you for your time and attention in this unit. It's been a lot of fun. I look forward to continuing on with you and learning more about chemistry in the days to come. For now, enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you next time.